Good evening, everybody. I've been craving spicy food today, so what I thought I would put together is a Thai spicy salad dressing. And you can use this with any type of meat, whether it's beef, seafood such as shrimp, fish, or even chicken if you'd like. So there are several ingredients, so I'm going to go through each of these for you. One is the lime, and you got to make sure that you use lime and not lemon because it's the oil in the lime. It makes it the aroma is a lot more, I think, pleasant than just lemon. The other is onion, Thai chili, sugar, and chicken broth. For the Thai chili, you can use the fresh chili, or you can also use the red chili that you can buy from any type of grocery store. So it's up to you. For the vegetables, I have the mint, lettuce, and cilantro. Okay, well, let's put it together. All right, so the first thing we're gonna put in is the chicken broth. It's about a cup or so. This is for the amount that of the meat that I'm gonna use. So, and then sugar. And this is, I'm using brown sugar, but that's up to you. You can also use, just white sugar. That's up to you. So, okay. And the pepper. I'll put this on just a little bit here because my wife doesn't eat as hot as I do. So I'll just put about that much, and then I'll add mine later. And we'll use the lime. Probably for this amount of chicken broth, I would probably put in about maybe 2 tablespoons of lime. But that's up to you. That's to the taste, how you like it. But Thai tastes are usually sour, sweet, and salty. And we use the fish sauce for that. Just balance that, and I think if with practice, you'll make it exactly the way you like it. So. And we'll just stir it. I taste this because the chicken broth usually already have salt in it, so it tastes. I think we need a little fish sauce on this, so I'll grab fish sauce and I'll add another tablespoon or so. And this is the fish sauce that I use. Any brand is fine, so I'm hiding the brand here. So I'll add 2 tablespoons. That should be enough. And that's pretty much it for the spicy salad dressing. All right, and next we'll just prepare the vegetables, prepare the meat, and then we'll just put this dressing over and make sure we stir it. And all right, so I'll prepare that and get it all ready. As you can see here, I got beef today. It's best, by the way, if you grill them, but it's too cold today, so I just fried it. Again, the beef is medium rare. That would be my suggestion. So I have them there with the lettuce, and then I have the mint, onion, and then the dressing. So first thing I would do is, oops, I gotta get this out, is I will put the onion. I love a lot of onion, so it's up to you how much you want on there. And we'll get some mint. Cilantro. And get the dressing over. And that would be it. So all finished. You should try it out and let me know how it turns out when you have a chance. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.